Hey everyone, it's Miles again and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to do this really pretty smoky blue look. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, please do click the thumbs up, and if you are not a subscriber of mine yet, please do subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell down below so you'll be notified every time I have a new video. So far, this is my most relaxing week because I have not uploaded 3 times a week because that was for March, and I realized that I can't keep that up. It's just too stressful for me. I'm a mom and I have a family to take care of, so for now, twice a week will be my goal. So thank you so much guys for, being a subscriber of mine for a while now, if you have been, and for watching my video so far. And if you are not, please subscribe again. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye! So I believe this look will be perfect for, you know, staying at home. You know, just lounging, taking care of your kids, you know, looking after them, making dinner or lunch.